Hello everyone, and welcome to another one. Today I wanted to take the time and talk about gold, particularly this week's trading and what happened in gold, because some really great lessons can be taken out of how gold traded this week. And particularly the concepts that I want to bring up are market bias, confirmation bias in this case, and adaptation. Because let's take a look. This video is going to be a short one, but a very important one. Let's have a look at gold here. If we look at it from a pattern perspective and a wave analysis perspective, we clearly see that we have a push up here, an impulse, and a correction, right? Followed by a correction. Looks like it's a 1, 2, 3 regular flat. Look at this, it broke up sharply, volume is on, and looks like we're having a little flat. Let's see here. Yeah, looks like a little flag pattern. Let's check out VWAP. It's a session, it's a daily VWAP for intraday trading, and yeah, looks good, right? Looks like we're gonna go up. So this is where I want to talk about confirmation bias and why it can be very dangerous to your trading. This is where a lot of traders get into trouble because they search for information that confirms their beliefs about, in this case, about this pattern. So whatever the market will do, if you strongly and firmly cannot see any other outcome than this going up, then you will get into trouble. Because when something unexpected occurs, you must be able to adjust and adapt. Trading is a dynamic process. It's not a static one. Okay? Let me just play this real time. Looks really good. We get this. We're expecting upside. Let's get VWAP back on. Let's play it. Let it unfold. Sitting here looking at this, creating some price action, and we know that gold loves to it becomes volatile around New York session. That's where all the players come into the market usually, right? Volume is low. We're nearing New York session right now. VWAP is holding, and now we're starting to trade. We're correcting on VWAP. It's a pretty decent sign. Oh, New York session, right? Spiked above VWAP. Pretty good buy setup right here with all this information that we've got. But look at what happens then. Comes up and just blasts down, right? What happened here? Now you're confused because look at this, it looks so good. We have our pattern, we have impulse, correction. Shouldn't it go up right now? Well, as I said, trading is a dynamic process, and you always have to expect the unexpected. So in this case, be careful to not be too biased, because if you are too biased, and you will start thinking, you'll move your stop loss and it's gonna come back up, right? Just let's move my stop loss to here, then you'll move it to here, and whatever. You always have to take that loss, that determined loss, wherever you put your stop. And then when you see something like this, you have a brain that needs to be able to pattern recognize, right? You have to learn how to pattern recognize different scenarios, like what's happening. Moment this happened, you need to see possibilities that, okay, we actually might be making an even bigger correction to come down. So in this case, okay, you would start looking for sell setups instead, and looking for confirmations and like variables that can heighten the odds of this actually being a sell setup. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. Just a quick lesson on don't be too biased and learn to have an open mindset. Always expect the unexpected, okay? Have the ability to adapt. Don't get emotional.
So, I'm gonna end it here. But if you want to learn more about this way of trading or this style of trading and want me to make more videos of this kind, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and comment below to let me know what you would like to see more of. Thanks for watching.